Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a legendary name. Returning to the dirt bike scene, the new 2026 HONDA XR350R is known for its bulletproof reliability, trail-dominating torque, and no-nonsense design. The XR series has always been a favorite among off-road purists. For 2026, Honda revives the XR350R with modern refinements while keeping its raw, rider-focused character intact. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this machine is built to conquer the trails. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Honda XR350R stays true to its classic off-road roots with a clean, functional design made for tough terrain. Lightweight body panels, a slim fuel tank, and a high-mounted front fender give it a purposeful, dirt-ready stance. Updated graphics, modern lighting elements, and improved ergonomics enhance both looks and rider control, ensuring the XR350R feels aggressive yet familiar. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the XR350R is a responsive, single-cylinder engine tuned for strong low-end and mid-range torque. Designed for trail riding and enduro-style performance, the power delivery is smooth and predictable. A refined suspension setup with long travel allows the bike to absorb rough terrain with ease, while the lightweight chassis improves agility and handling in tight trails. Safety and technology. The 2026 XR350R focuses on rider control and durability rather than excess electronics. Improved braking performance, a strong frame, and reliable components ensure confidence in demanding conditions. Honda's attention to engineering quality makes this bike dependable for long rides in tough environments. Conclusion. The new 2026 Honda XR350R brings back the spirit of true off-road riding with modern reliability and refined performance. Built for riders who value simplicity, strength, and trail-ready capability, this bike is ready to tackle any challenge. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the machines that matter most.